Remove the Paingone Plus from its packaging. Paingone Plus is supplied with a battery. To insert it into the device, start by removing the orange battery cover by twisting gently in a counterclockwise direction. Insert the battery with the positive tip going in first. Replace the battery cover, twisting gently in a clockwise direction until it is secured. Be careful not to apply too much pressure. Hold Paingone Plus firmly in your hand. It's crucial that your hand makes contact with the metal ring, otherwise the device will not function correctly. Place the tip of Paingone Plus on the painful area. Now, press and hold the activating button. As long as the button is pressed down, Paingone Plus will deliver controlled electrical pulses. These pulses activate the body's natural pain relief mechanisms. To treat larger areas of pain, you can move the Paingone Plus as you hold down the button. After 30 seconds, release the activating button. Treatment is now complete. Many users feel the benefits within a few minutes. Paingone Plus can be used as often as required. If pain returns, simply reapply following the previous steps. Paingone. Fast, effective pain relief.